Randalina.
Hi, Flappaloo. Come from Malina. Well, Flappaloo then. You come Randalina. You Flappaloo.
So you just, you know what?
No, but don't have nothing to me, man. Randalina. Randaloo. You Flappaloo then. Yeah.
Hi, Randall.
Our Flapper.
How are you?
Good today.
That's good to hear. And what are we having today?
We have patty, but we don't have a patty palace, mother's patty, or juicy beef. And which one you forgot, Papa?
Tasties.
Tasty's patty. So which one of them, Papa?
No, you just tell you. Anyways.
Papa, which one of them, Papa?
You tell me.
Are
you want to judge?
Oh, me can't taste
No,
it,
you're going to taste it and then you tell me.
Yes, Papa.
Yes.
So, me not have to get it from our Jamaican style this.
Yes.
I like the drinks too. Our fit drinks is ours, Papa.
I made it myself.
Yeah?
No.
You don't make this, man. But you say she has a Grace Spanish, Papa.
My middle name is Grace.
Grace? Me never know that. Are you giving name, Papa? You want to change your name when you get old?
No. Who get old? You want me to cut this camera?
No, you can't cut this camera.
I'm young and youthful.
Young and
Say it after me. Young and youthful.
Young and wholeful. But you're young and youthful, so. So you understand me, Flapper? You understand?
Oh, you know what?
So, Flapper, tell me something now. How long did it take to make chapati now?
It took me, I already know where you're going. I tried yesterday and the filling was a bit too salty. So I said, scrap the whole video. I'm going to redo it today.
Flapper, don't put the word in the mouth. And you see, you talk first, you talk everything.
Go right ahead.
Everything, Flapper.
Go right ahead.
So, Flapper.
Yes, Randall?
You take us my salty out of it or what?
It was a soy sauce that I used, and you still ate 2.5.
But me have to
Let's talk about it.
But me have to squeeze out the whole inside.
You ate 2.5.
I agree, but me have to squeeze out the whole of the beef inside, Papa. You forgot that part, Papa?
If something is too salty, I'm not even gonna eat one. You ate 2.5. So at that point, there's no way you can even mention it.
So, Papa, you stammer so?
I'm not stammering.
Why are you stammering? Flapper, me talk out your business.
Go right ahead.
Talk out your business. And me say if you see party them. About 9-10 parts. What are you doing them, Flapper?
You ate all of them. You ate
only 2. I'm squeeze it all inside.
2.5.
No, Flapper, 2.
Daddy, I gave you the half to taste it, and then you ate 2
Next time, I'm gonna take picture.
Daddy.
You like take picture? What time?
No, but
you block me a little, Flapper.
Question.
Yes, Flapper.
The first one I gave you, wasn't it half? Because I ate the other half and I gave you half. And then you ate 2. Yes,
Flapper, you start party, Flapper. So where's the Flapper? You come back tonight, Flapper.
Yes.
Choose on a name, Flapper. Choose on a name.
What do you mean?
For all the party, I'm different in a Flapper.
I don't know. I don't know the difference in the way they taste.
No?
No.
Okay.
But wait, stop for a second before we continue arguing. We have a beef patty and we have a cheese patty. The cheese patty is already in the cocoa bread, and the beef patty is out of the cocoa bread.
So you never make the chicken patty too?
Daddy.
You should make 3?
This is why the people them say sport and big back.
Yeah. So Flapper.
Yes,
You
Randall?
call me big back because me want extra patty.
You want 3 patties, Daddy.
You know why me not going to have a 3 patty because cocoa bread are enough. But you see, generally me buy patty, I 4 me buy, 4 patty me buy. I'm rub 3 and keep 1 milk more.
Big back, big
back. No, big back. I don't care if you want to say big back. Big back. I like patty. So next time you make a chicken patty too. But chicken patty a curry, Chicken patty a curry. That have more taste. You don't know that, Papa? Why you so serious, Papa? I tell you.
Because imagine getting 2 patties and still complaining that there's 1 missing.
90% of the time when I'm going to buy patty, I buy all 3. All 4 patty too. Sometimes I buy one box. I have in that storage. You never know that? So, Flapper, you try your patty now. Which one you want to try first?
The cheese.
The cheese.
Or the beef. It doesn't matter.
Me try the beef first.
So then why did you ask?
So I said, this one are the
beef patty. You don't have to eat it with the cocoa bread. You can eat just one with the cocoa bread.
You learn. You know me about the line. And last night you cook 1 patty with whole heap of salt.
And you ate 2.5.
But I squeeze out inside there.
I just...
You squeeze out inside, Flapper. You can say last night, Flapper. But you know half of last night. And last night, patty and big on this flapper. Me try some that cheese and a flapper. Sorry. See my nice flapper. Me used to beef patty, you know. Me always buy cheese patty, you know. Cheese patty. Now complain tonight, flapper. In the salt.
When's man leave me alone?
You ask me for your salt, flapper.
You ate 2.5.
Yes, but I'm...
Every time you say it, I'm just gonna mention how many you ate.
Huh? So where you get it from? YouTube again too?
No.
Alright. Your grandmother recipe?
Yes.
No, you don't know grandmother flapper. Flapper, you don't know grandmother. What you have to about yes? Flapper? You ready for me to rate it hour?
Whenever you're ready.
Tonight, yeah. What? Papa, if you got the drinks. So me a treat it over like a beer. A cola champagne
It's not pineapple.
or pineapple. Papa? No salt tonight, yeah. No salt tonight, yeah, Papa. See last night, Papa. Me say, I drink water, you see, Papa.
You ate 2.5.
Papa, I drink water. I will squeeze out inside, Papa, I drink water. You believe me? Give me a lot of my mouth dry.
I told you, why are you eating 2.5?
But Papa, you never cook nothing else.
You also ate other food. Big back. You want me to expose your secrets?
You know, you can't give a high for your high, Flapper.
So, you tell my business, I tell yours. At least I didn't lie to these people. I made sure to redo it before recording a video.
But tell us, missus.
Yes, mister.
Next time, make a different party. Flapper make one because everything. And last night, one was bigger Flapper.
Daddy, so because it's big, Daddy, the people I'm ready to sign you up for a gym membership, and you want 3 patties.
Gym? Borderline, I don't say to me borderline, I forgot gym. You see, Flapper, me tell you, say, me love this party, man. That one, yeah. The cheese.
The cheese?
The cheese is bad. The cheese is a big score. But the one a little bit borderline-ish, over borderline. Papa? The man say me call you Flapper, I love call Flapper myself, Flapper.
I know you love calling my
Because you
name.
treat me right, Flapper.
No, you're obsessed.
No. You treat me right. Thank you, Flapper.
You're very welcome.
Thank you for the 3 pizza and your and 3 bread and 3 wagon, Flapper. Eh? Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night, what?
You see it? Me I say bread and cheese and pizza. And you know, correct me, you know. You see it over, Flapper?
Daddy, you be saying a lot of different things.
All right, Flapper. I get some sport in the master. 2 different square I give you, Flapper.
Okay.
1. You ready for square hour?
Go right ahead.
This one here, 8.5.
Okay.
This one here, 9.5.
Okay.
So put them together, I'll leave them same way.
No, you can put, it's your world and I'm just living in it.
9.5.
9.5, okay.
You sure that, Flapper?
I'm not asking you because you're going to tell me I should have made a chicken. I don't want to hear it.
I say, I enjoy this one first, Flapper. You know, I say, cut it, you know. I chip me a chicken last time I talk about 8.5. I choose me want you put it up. Me want done your Flapper. 5 minutes give you. 5. Only 5. You're lucky me. Flapper is salt. Me have to squeeze out the whole inside flapper. Whole inside me have to
You
squeeze out.
ate 2.5.
2.5, but me say me squeeze out.
I don't care what you say.
At the patty crush.
If it's a 5, there's no way I'm going back
A
for a
patty
second
crush.
one.
At the patty crush, me in a heat. You
So
never see it?
so the crust was amazing.
It was good.
Okay, just checking.
I want the salt in the beef. Too much salt. You want to get there and you blame it
No,
for
it was a
soy
soy sauce.
soy sauce.
I record all my videos. I don't
Eh?
put salt in anything.
All right, flapper.
Ugly.
All right. Tonight me I give you 9.5.
That's an amazing jump.
Yeah, I better. I better because trust me, last night I 5. And me I tell you say flapper. Me I tell you say, you see it? If you make 3, you see me have all like cheese. You understand me? Have all cheese. All like cheese gone. And the beef, little bit of beef left. And I see it so flapper. Cut!